First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for agreeing to do this. This really means a lot. So, guys, today we have amongst us Bhilai's well-known child psychologist, Dr. Mamta Shukla, Director, Milestone Academy. Thank you so much, ma'am. We want to know something about you, like your schooling, आपका graduation, and about your PhD. Please tell us.
Okay. So I'm born and brought up in a very small town, Samastipur. Not very, but medium class town, Samastipur, Bihar. So there I was born and brought up there. And schooling I did from Samastipur only. And I'm very proud of being a Bihari because that is the place where I started my journey.
Yes,
And after this completing the school final I did in 1972, and I passed with second class. It was not first class there. And then I did my intermediate. That time it used to be intermediate. So I did it from Bihar, but not from Samastipur. It was another place, Muzaffarpur. From there I did my intermediate. Again I passed with second class only. I started studying by that time, but in school I was not studying at all. But yes, I started little bit studying. I'm a bit of the studies in my intermediate time, ISC we used to say. And then after ISC, I went to Allahabad. No, graduation, yeah. Allahabad, I went to Allahabad. And graduation and post-graduation I did from Allahabad University. And I, not only topped, I got the gold medal from Allahabad University. So, I don't know. In school, I was a Hindi medium student. It was a government Bihar school. And then intermediate also, it was a Hindi medium college. But Allahabad was an English medium university. That time it used to be called Oxford of India, North Asia. It used to be called the Oxford of North Asia, and that was English medium also. But I don't know what shift it took and what was the change which happened. I topped the means university and got the gold medal. And in post graduation, I took psychology as my special subject.
yes.
And I found it very interesting. In intermediate, psychology was my extra subject that I was supposed to get only 30%. Apart from that, it was not required, and I studied like for 30% only. I studied like laid down on my bed, and like a novel I studied psychology. But in Allahabad, the atmosphere was so good, the department was excellent, the people were there, they were so focused, and I was grown up. Above all, I was grown up. So, and I was in the hostel also. So there, something shifted, and I did good there. And later, then from Delhi, I did my diploma, Delhi NCRT. NCRT is a very popular name because of the CBSE and government educational proposals and the policies. So I did diploma from NCRT in educational and vocational guidance. So that is all my educational life. And I started my PhD in Allahabad itself. I continued in Delhi, and finally I submitted my thesis in Raipur, because in between I got married, and then I restarted my work in Raipur, and then I submitted in Raipur. So I was awarded PhD from Raipur University.
That's really great, ma'am. So, ma'am, how idea of milestone came into your mind?
There was actually no idea of opening a school, not at all. There was no dream. There was no dream. I was a counselor, so I was practicing counseling in Bhilai, and I was a counselor in Delhi Public School, Bhilai. And my friends, Prafulla Shah and one more late, Mrs. Amarjit Kaur, they started a school foundation, and they invited me, can you come and join us? Because they must have seen my degree and my doctorate in psychology. So they thought that, can you join me? I said, okay, I'll join. But these are my conditions. I'll come after 12, I'll go very early, and so many conditions I laid there. And so it is they. I mean, the Prafulla and Mrs. Amarjit, that is why I went into a school. and 3 years we worked together. And later one thought came to my mind that my efforts are not properly getting benefit there.
Yes.
So it is better if I start something else, some
Yes, ma'am.
separately if I do something. So then Milestone came into existence, but the Milestone which has become today, it was not in my dream. It was not at all in my dream. I worked hard, I worked 100% and it continued.
Yes, ma'am, and congratulations to you. Milestone had completed 25 years this year.
Yeah, it is. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am, shifting to another topic. Ma'am, you very well known कि हम छत्तीसगढ़ को promote करने के लिए ये interviews ले रहे हैं and also people who have worked in their respective fields. तो मैम आप बहुत सारी जगहों में गए होंगे छत्तीसगढ़ के अलावा. आपको क्या लगता है कि छत्तीसगढ़ बाकी जगहों से कैसे डिफरेंट है? क्या स्पेशलिटी क्या है इसकी?
मैं तो देखो बिहार जैसी जगह में रही हूँ और उत्तर प्रदेश जैसी जगह में रही हूँ, फिर दिल्ली जैसी जगह में, सभी उस मामले में बड़ी टॉप पर रही. मतलब मैं कह सकती हूँ कि क्राइम और ये सब में, ऐसा लोग कहते हैं, मुझे तो कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ. पर छत्तीसगढ़ बड़ा कूल है. पीपल आर रियली वेरी गुड हेयर and work is valued here. Whatever you do, if your work is good, people are very, very good in valuing that. They appreciate the work and they, there is no hindrance when you are working. So things are pretty cool here as compared to my other places where I was. Well, initially when I got married, it was not Chhattisgarh, it was Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. Yeah.
And later Chhattisgarh came into existence in 2001.
Yes,
so, it is the centermost heart of the country. And, really it is the heart because people are really as soft as the heart is and very good people in Chhattisgarh. So I believe that Chhattisgarh is सबसे बढ़िया.
Yes, ma'am. छत्तीसगढ़िया सबसे बढ़िया. So, ma'am, आप spirituality से काफी time से connected है. आप क्या मानती हैं spirituality? What does spirituality mean to you? Do you believe in God?
No, it is not God. Okay. It is not at all God. Because spirituality is some power.
Yes.
It is some power which is, responsible for this creation, and, every human being, everything is very good by heart, very pure, very, all parishuddh चेतना है. हम कैसे बचपन में जब आते हैं तो ना हमें लड़ना आता है, ना हमारे अंदर कोई जेलसी होती है, सिर्फ हम प्यार करते हैं और हमको प्यार मिलता है. तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी क्या है? फिर जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं ना, फिर हमारे अंदर ये सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं. कंपटीशन भी आ जाता है, उससे मेरा अच्छा हो, उसका मेरे से अच्छा ना हो जाए, और ईगो भी बहुत आता जाता है, जेलसी आ जाती, अटैचमेंट अपने बच्चों से, अपनी चीजों से, एंटेंगलमेंट भी है, जेलसी है, ग्रीड है, एंगर भी हो जाता है बहुत, है ना. तो ये सारी चीजें आती जाती हैं, आ जाती है हमारे अंदर धीरे धीरे. Spirituality is going back to your original nature. Spirituality is reposing in the self.
Yes,
where, peace is there, where love is there, and where joy is there. So yes, spirituality is not simply, it is not God, because, when you talk about God, there comes some ritual and everything, but yes, we can for our अपनी सहज सरलता के लिए हम गॉड कह सकते हैं, पर अध्यात्म उससे फर्क है थोड़ा. गॉड और अध्यात्म एक हो भी सकते हैं, पर ये हमारी सरलता के लिए है.
यस मैम, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोगों को डिसिप्लिन करने के लिए गॉड का एग्जिस्टेंस लाया गया है, क्योंकि लोगों को एक फियर रहता है कि हम ये करेंगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, हम ये करेंगे, तो शायद इसलिए गॉड का एग्जिस्टेंस लाया गया है, या आपका कुछ और
व्यू है? देखो, जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है ना, वो दो तरह से काम करते हैं. या तो लालच में या डर में।
Yes.
तो प्रार्थना जब करते हैं या तो लालच में करते हैं, सुख संपत्ति घर आवे कष्ट मिटे धन तन का, है ना, और या डर में करते हैं कि मुझे कुछ हो ना जाए, है ना। अभी कोरोना काल में बड़ी प्रार्थनाएं बढ़ गई हैं क्योंकि वो थोड़ा फियर है, पर गॉड से भी ऊपर है। जब आप लालच और फियर को, मैं नहीं जानती मैं इतनी कितना कर पाती हूँ, मैं ये नहीं मालूम, पर जो मेरे गुरु ने मुझसे कहा है कि जब आप लालच और फियर दोनों को छोड़ के भगवान को प्यार करते हो, फिर आप भगवान का सही रूप समझ पाते हो।
Yes, ma'am. True. Okay, ma'am. Shifting to another topic, a social issue is here. Beti
Yes.
bachao, beti padhao. This is the slogan which is government is using nowadays and is very popular. How this slogan is significant to you? Please tell us.
Yeah, this slogan was started in 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. Bachao means the female feticide which is happening and which was the rate was very high those days. Now it has decreased. I don't know the data. But so the feticide, the female fetus was, killed, was aborted. And if it is a male child, it was, बचाओ वहां पर। और क्या हो रहा था, ये बड़ा इम्बैलेंस आ रहा था कि लड़कियां कम हो रही हैं, लड़के ज्यादा हो रहे हैं, तो आगे सोसाइटी कैसे चलेगी। तो ये बेटी बचाओ दिया। मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि बेटी बचेगी तभी तो बेटी पढ़ेगी।
Yes.
और जब बेटी पढ़ेगी तभी तो फिर से बेटी को जन्म देगी। तो दोनों कहीं ना कहीं एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। तो पहले बेटी को बचाओ, तो बचेगी तब उसके पढ़ने की बात आएगी। और जब बेटी पढ़ लिख के काबिल हुई, आगे बढ़ी, तब उसको समझ में आई ये बातें कि क्यों बेटियों का जन्म लेना जरूरी है, क्यों हम आधी क्रिएशन को, अगर हम कहें तो आधा पुरुष है आधी महिला है, आधे बेटे हैं आधी बेटियां हैं, क्यों हम आधियों को अधूरा रहने दें। जो आधी क्रिएशन है उसको भी हम पूरा खिलने दें, पूरे उनके मौके दें। तो जब पढ़ेंगी तभी तो वो ये सारी बातें जानेंगी। जब ये सारी बातें जानेंगी तो फिर वो सर्कल कंप्लीट होता है, तो फिर वो बेटी को बचाएंगे भी। तो दोनों जुड़ी हुई हैं, दोनों बहुत जरूरी हैं। क्योंकि अभी हमारे नेशन में जो फीमेल फीटिसाइड है, या पढ़ाई भी थोड़ी कम है, अर्ली मैरिजेस हैं, डाउरी भी है थोड़ा, अभी भी है, इन सब के चलते जो वुमेन है थोड़ी कहीं ना कहीं उसको अभी और एम्पावर होना है और आगे बढ़ना है, ऐसा मेरा सोचना है।
यस मैम, जब एक लड़की आगे बढ़ेगी तभी तो वर्ल्ड आगे बढ़ेगा। दिस इज अ वेरी गुड थिंकिंग ऑफ योर्स एंड आई एक्सपेक्ट कि सबकी थिंकिंग ऐसे ही हो। So ma'am, many students have given their 10th board this year and they are going to choose their stream. So what are your suggestions to them? Any?
मैं कहती हूँ जो भी करो पूरा करो। Whatever you do, that is what my father told me. Whatever you do, do it 100%. So whatever stream you choose, whatever career you choose, nobody will stop you to be successful, from being successful. Because अभी भी मैं देखती हूँ कम्युनिटी में बहुत अच्छे काम करने वालों की अभी भी बहुत जरूरत है। चाहे वो कुरियर वाला हो, चाहे वो साफ सफाई वाला हो, चाहे वो बड़ा सा कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, अभी भी बहुत अच्छे काम करने वालों के लिए मार्केट है और स्कोप है। प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है, बहुत अच्छा काम करने वाला हर कोई नहीं है। तो अगर आप अच्छा काम करोगे, बहुत अच्छा काम करोगे, तो आपकी सफलता में थोड़ी देर हो सकती है, पर सफलता मिलेगी जरूर। मैं उस बात पे बहुत बिलीव करती हूँ कि अगर आप मोची भी हो, अगर आप शू मेकर भी हो, तो भी आपको अपने एरिया का बेस्ट शू मेकर होना चाहिए।
Yes ma'am, always give your 100%.
100, give your 100%. That is what Guruji says. Yes. Give 100%. You will be very happy and you will not be bothered about the success because you have given your everything.
मैम, आपने गुरुजी का नाम लिया है तो हम जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या कोई रिसेंट लॉकडाउन में कोई कोर्स या कोई एक्टिविटी ऐसी है जिससे लोग बिजी रह सके, कुछ कोर्स कर सके घर बैठे, ऐसा कोई कोर्स अभी रिसेंटली अगर हो और व्यूवर्स जुड़ सके? अगर
तुमने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है रिया, क्योंकि मैं भी, मेरा ही कोर्स है, मैं एक आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग टीचर भी हूँ।
जी.
तो 4th मई से 8th मई तक, 7th मई तक एक यो ब्रीदिंग एंड मेडिटेशन पर एक कोर्स है.
Okay.
गुरुजी का क्रिएट किया हुआ है, उनका डिजाइन किया हुआ है और ऑनलाइन है.
जी.
और शाम को 4 बजे से 6 बजे तक इसको किया जा सकता है. Everybody should do it.
Every age group, or there is some?
It is preferably it is above 17.
Okay. 17 to?
Preferably it is above
17 and
18.
above. Okay.
18 you can say.
Okay. So I request my viewers to please join this. If you really want to use your time in some good way, yeah, then this is the perfect thing. Okay, ma'am. Then moving on to our last segment. What is your mantra of life?
Give your 100% and be happy.
Okay.
Leave everything, leave your future, leave your past. No, nothing will work out. Who knew that the corona is going to happen?
Yes.
Nobody knew. You know, so many planning we did for our school, but nothing worked out. So you propose, God disposes. So give your 100% and leave your past because it's a history now.
Yes.
Leave your future because that is a mystery now. Give into the present and work happily, work 100%. That is what my mantra of a life, and that is what my father said, work wholeheartedly. And these two things have become together. Give your 100% and work wholeheartedly. And that is what I followed throughout my life.
That's really sweet, ma'am. Okay, so last question for you, or last point. Would you like to nominate one person for our next JIC talk?
Yeah, I was thinking, I can give you, some of the names. It is Mr. Santosh Rai, sir.
Okay.
He is running a commerce institute in Bhilai. And PC, professional career, it is known as professional career. He is not only he is a gentleman, he is highly qualified, and professionally he is very successful. So you can talk to him. I can give him your reference.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was my pleasure to interview you as my first guest.
Same here, Priya. Same here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.